Hello to everyone, my name is Sergio Alvini. If you don't know me, I'm a free online marketer expert in crypto and ecosystem, decentralized finance. I'm free since 17 years. What does it mean? That is, since 17 years I don't work for any company and for anyone, okay? So today what I'm going to show you, okay, is not a presentation, it's not a tutorial, it's not a technical explanation, okay? But before I start, because I'm a professional, let me put a little disclaimer, okay? Okay, what I share is for informational purpose only and reflects my personal experience. The world of cryptocurrencies, like any other entrepreneurial activity, offer opportunities but also carry risks. It is up to you to carefully evaluate and make informed decisions. The final responsibility is always yours, okay? Okay, here on my screen you see many pages open. You see many YouTube pages open, okay? So you see all those videos, okay? They are all recorded live with the arrival of the profit. There is no screenshot, nothing fake, because there is a countdown that all the money are coming. Okay, so there is no screenshot, no end reader numbers, and no editing. Only real moments where the first ecosystem in the world, which is been running since 2 years and 8 months, is giving me, the profit, okay? So let me show you just one, okay, to give you an idea. Then I'm going to give you the link where you can go and see yourself all of them, because they are all live proof, okay? So this one is 1680, it's already written, so let's put here 1680. This is just 1 month, okay? Let's put this one with when I purchased a Cartier in Monte Carlo, okay? Just show you, just a second, okay? The beauty of just to show you one, okay? One proof, and then you can see yourself, you see 17 seconds. Okay, let's go here. Let's automatically whether I'm logged in to my wallet, whether I'm logged into the website, whether I'm logged in to my PC, okay? Because this is a smart contract, this is DeFi, decentralized finance. Your bank is using it, all the big investors are using it, but of course they don't tell you on the news. So as you can see right now, the position says complete. Now the blockchain will work, okay? And it will say that in a couple of minutes they will send me $22,320. Okay, so of course all this happens in autopilot. As I told you before, you don't have to be logged to your account. Of course, after all this proof, I will give you the video which will explain where the profit comes from, okay? How long this smart contract is working, which is more than 2 years and 7 months. And you will see also a video how you can get started and you free yourself. If you still doing some trading, that you still exchange, time for money, you must understand that you cannot work like 1975. You must be smarter than this, because we have all these. As you can see there, I only have $276 on the wallet, which reflect on the system. And we're going to refresh the page, and we're going to see how this money they're all coming automatically to my wallet. Of course, I've done many videos with the computer, with the PC, which is more easier for you to see, to watch the difference. You see the wallet is 292. Let's go to refresh wallet. Okay, 22,531. This is okay. You have seen this proof. So on this case, when I was in Monte Carlo, I purchased my Cartier and the profit was 4,320. You can go and check it out for yourself, okay? $4,320, okay? So let's erase this one. Let's erase this one. That's the next one. This one, I'm not going to show you everyone. You can go and have a look by yourself because they're all live proof. There is no screenshot, okay? So this one, as you can see, is always under the month. Okay, 3 weeks ago, $3,288. So $3,288 plus. Let's go into erase this one. This is another one. Let's load it. This is 2,049 3 weeks ago. 2,049 plus. Let's go to take away this one. This one 1,680. This is 1 month ago. Okay. 1,680 plus. Just a second. This is when I was in Paris. 1,800. 1,800. Also 1 month ago. Okay. This is $4,017. $4,070 plus. Then what we got here. This is when I purchased my iPhone, new iPhone, just to show the people that with crypto you can purchase whatever you want, okay? And this, if you do the math, this is, you see, 9,672. I put 7,800. This is only 20 days, not 28 years, 20 days, 28 days. You cannot put the money here for longer than 28 days, and you don't give it to anyone, okay? By the way, so that's the difference is $1,872, okay? The profit. 1,872 plus. Let's go to take away this one. Then this one was 1 month ago, 1,200. Okay, 1,200. Okay, plus. Okay, this is exactly 21,906. Of course, this is just passive earnings. Of course, I earn more on passive because I don't amuse myself to record live all the videos when the profits are coming in, okay? Because here the profits are coming in whether you're logged into your account or not. It's it's decentralized finance. Your banking using it, big investors using it, and that's the way it is, okay? So, but I want to just show you all the live proof. I'm going to give you the link where you can go and check all the videos by yourself because we cannot stay here for hours, and you can go and see all the profit that are coming automatically. So if you do this 21,906, even if I earn more passively, but let's do it just with the real proof, okay? If you divide it by 30 days, that's $730, okay? So this is something that nobody ever show you. Not even the bigger tycoons or whatever. They never show you. They just show you, screenshot or whatever. And then you have to just believe it. They never show you live, when the profit come in. Okay, now I'm going to show you something that nobody ever show you. Okay, because this is just passive profit. You have seen 730 a day. Of course, I earn more on passive. Passive means that anybody can do it. You'd have to be an expert like me on marketing, on crypto. Once you understand, you put the money in, you see the presentation, you don't give it to anyone, and you reap the profit, and you continue to do your life. This is completely pure passive, and it goes on since 2 years and 8 months. This is the biggest ecosystem of the smart contract in the world. Okay, I'm not going to do the presentation. You're going to have a look at the link. Now I'm gonna log it into this is my account. Okay, if I'm going down here, because right now I just show you, the passive one, because 99% use passive. I'm gonna click on partner. Okay, I'm gonna click on dashboard here. It loads. Okay, of course the numbers are moving. Do you see here on the right hand side 1079 person? What does it mean? It means that since 7 months, listen carefully, since 7 months, okay, and 10 days that I started to share this opportunity to free all the people, those 1000 people and 79, they're all free now because they all earn passively. But the beauty of this, because I'm a marketer, I earn on those 17 levels each time they earn, because here everyone earns. So I got a very substantial amount of money every minute. Okay, not every hour, every minute, because all the people that are earning from transparency of the system of the contract, and I earn. But I just show you the number of the people. I'm not going to show you the amount, because would be unfair for the people who are still working, or wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, or maybe who still do some trading. I used to do some trading, and when I started 20 years ago to do this, I started to be free, not to exchange time for money. And then I realized that trading for me was exchanging time for money. Wake up at 5 o'clock or something like that. It would be unfair if I show to those people that are still trading, they're still exchanging time for money, and people that are still working. There are many of them. Okay, so this is the way it is. Okay, so right now underneath every video, okay, or every video, because the proof that I show you, you can go and check it out for yourself. Underneath every video in English, I got video in Italian. I'm Italian, but I live everywhere in the world. Right now I'm in France. So I got video in French, video in Italian, video in English. Underneath every video in English, you got a playlist, and you got a segmented playlist. If you click on live profit, okay, you click on there, and you will see all the videos, and you can go and check for yourself all the profit, all the passive profit that are coming in, because I never ever show my active profit, because they can shock people. They can shock even people that they think they are good marketers. They will shock them, of course. So underneath every video there is a presentation. There is all the segmented video. You can check it out, okay, and then you can contact me after you saw the video. You can contact me. Never say to me hello, bye bye, I never answer. So you say, I saw this video, I got this question. Okay, no problem, and I free yourself. Okay, so what is it? So do you understand what we got here? This is not magic. This is not screenshot. This is not beginners things. This is a real thing. So if you want to free yourself, okay, if you want to free yourself, you're going to see financially free yourself. Okay, you're going to see the video, and then you contact me. Okay, only if you want to free yourself, your family financially. Okay. Bye for now.